Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do apple halwa. This will taste so good and will melt in your mouth. I am going to use 3 apples for the recipe. You have to cut them into pieces, remove the seeds and the skin. Once done, transfer all the apples into a mixie jar. Without adding any water, grind them into a fine paste. Our apple puree is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee in it. To this add few cashew nuts and fry them. Once the cashew nuts are golden brown, you can take them out and set them aside. You can add the apple puree into the remaining ghee. Start stirring this. Let this lose some moisture and become thick. Once it is thick, you can add a quarter cup of sugar. Keep on stirring, the sugar will melt and then slowly this will become thick. You can add a teaspoon of ghee into this in order to avoid the halwa sticking to the pan. Gradually this will become thick like this. This is almost halwa consistency. At this stage you can add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and a teaspoon of ghee and start stirring this again. Finally add the fried cashew nuts and give a nice mix. Once the halwa is ready, it won't stick to the pan. At that stage you can switch off the flame and transfer it into the serving bowl. Do give a try, this will taste so good. And so our apple halwa is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.